Hey, Jessica, good evening. Yeah, I talked to the director of pulmonary care here at Overlake, as well as the King County health officer. And hey, they say they both agree that if we don't have a major change in behavior, we will see this trend keep rising of COVID cases, as well as we might even possibly face more restrictions. Take a look at this graph of positive COVID cases. What do you see? Dr. Jeff Duchin sees an impending car crash.
Cases continue to accelerate in the wrong direction, and it's best to hit the brakes before we crash and not after.
The King County health officer says the spike in cases is troubling, no matter what county you're in. In King, the 7-day daily average case count is now 362, the greatest it's ever been. Pierce and Snohomish, they're also seeing similar upward trends. The reason for the rise, to Dr. Duchin, is pretty clear.
Too many of us are doing too much with too little consideration of the consequences of our actions on others.
Instead of doing outdoor dinners that people were doing in the summertime, they might do indoor dinners or indoor gatherings. And many people don't wear masks.
Dr. Amy Markazich is the director of pulmonology at Overlake Medical Center and Clinics. She says the pattern we see COVID taking is right in line with other respiratory illnesses. It thrives when we spend more time inside around people. Like Dr. Duchin, she says patients are also being more lax with masks around friends and family.
You know, we're all tired of this virus, but this is not the time to be complacent.
With the holidays approaching, experts say if we do not choose to take the precautions on our own terms, we can expect the government to do the choosing for us.
Having the experience that you do, would you be surprised if we, as Washingtonians, were put under another governor-mandated lockdown?
I think right now we could probably get by without a lockdown if everyone really took this seriously. But if things get really bad to the point where the hospital systems get overwhelmed, I wouldn't be surprised if a lockdown was mandated for a short period of time just to get things under control again.
And Dr. Jeff Duchin, he agrees that more restrictions could be in the cards if we do not reverse this trend. He says, you know, when we're thinking about going about our daily activities or maybe meeting up with people outside of our own household, think safer, think smaller, and think smarter. Live in Bellevue tonight, Vanessa Mashanya, King 5 News.
Good tips there, Vanessa. Thank you.